the original LCD2 can be described as aggressively pleasing. They enthusiastically embrace the idea that people enjoy listening to a little extra bass and a little less treble, and their tuning is designed to please and excite in equal measure. I write in the present time because Audeze continues to sell LCD2 to date, almost a decade of great popularity after its initial release. The strength of that popularity lies in the large planar magnetic controller designed by Audeze within each headset. It produces an impeccable and distortion-free sound, and extends deep into the subwoofer region, which is problematic for more conventional dynamic controller headphones. The LCD2 Classic maintains all these good attributes, and the measurements of other reviewers have shown a spectacularly low harmonic distortion. The LCD2 Classic hands from Audeze are exactly the kind of product that could exist simply to take advantage of a famous name and pedigree. The Audeze LCD2, launched in 2009, announced the existence of the company for the world of audiophiles and won the acclaim of many critics as one of the best pairs of hearing aids on the market. Now, the California company wants us to believe that its classic variant has kept the distinctive LCD2 sound intact, while simplifying the design and reducing the price from $999 to $799 more achievable.